How to cancel EA Play membership. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can cancel EA Play Pro subscription. So in order to cancel your subscription, first of all check your internet connection and then open up a browser and log in into your EA Play account. So for that, type in ea.com or you can just type in EA Play. After that, it's gonna take you to the official page. So tap on the icon located in the top right hand side corner, the contact icon. Just tap on it and then log in into your account. In my case, I'm already logged in. So once you're logged in as well, tap on the icon once again on the home page and go to account settings. After you're on the account center page, here you'll be able to see the payment method that you've added. First of all, you can just try changing your payment method if you want to do it. So by tapping on the edit button, next page, it's gonna ask you to enter in or provide in the new credit card details. After that, you've successfully removed your previously added credit card details. And if you want to cancel your membership, then tap on cancel membership underneath. After that, it's gonna take you to the membership page where you'll be able to see your information, your membership details and all that. So if you're sure about canceling it, then tap on the confirm button or just tap on end cancel subscription. After that, it's gonna ask you for a confirmation once again. If you're sure about it, tap on the confirm button. As soon as you've done that, you'll be receiving a confirmation stating that you've successfully cancelled your subscription on EA Play. So in this way, you can cancel membership or cancel your subscription on EA Play. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.